Hello and welcome to this training. Variables. Decline variable name and value in Java. And var is decline variable var. 0 is the value. Updating variables. Update the variable var to subtract 2 and add 6. Look at this example. Variable var and value 0 plus 6 subtracts 2. This code prints outputs number 4. Displaying variables. Var is the variable, decline the variable var, and value 0 plus 6 subtracts 2 and plus 3. System output line variable var. This code prints outputs number 6. Storing variables. Driver is the variable and value David, and letter equal driver dot length system output line letters. This code prints outputs 5 letters. Another example, and driver David and driver dot to uppercase system output line variable driver. This code prints outputs David into uppercase. String concatenation. String driver first name is variable and value David. String driver last name and value James. String driver full name equal driver for first name plus space plus driver last name. System output line driver full name is variable. This code prints outputs David James. String languages Java. String fill-in love. Fill-in equal fill-in dots to lowercase. Languages equal languages dots to uppercase. System output line I plus fill-in plus space plus languages. This code prints outputs I love Java. Love to lowercase and Java to uppercase. Variable names. Driver first name is lower common case and value David. Variable name rules. Price, speed, and stock price. In Java, variable names are case sensitive. Number 2, start variable names with a letter. And number 3, cannot have white space. Declare and initiative variables. String player is declaring a variable player. David is value, is initializing. Integer price equals 0, integer speed equal 100, and equal stock price equal 25. Variable types numbers. First, integer or long or double. Variable type text. the string characters. Variable type decision, boolean, true or false. Variable arithmetic, addition, for example, integer x equal 2 plus 6 equal 8. Subtraction, integer y equal 3 subtract 7 equal 4. Multiplication, integer dice equal 5 multiple 6 equal 13. And division, casting. Look this example. Double count value 25, double right value 1.5, double future equal count multiple right. System output line variable future. Integer approx equal approx. System output line variable approx. This program pans outputs 37.5 and second code 37. Comments. The following code estimates the number of students that will sign up for my course. Look example. Double count 25, double right 1.5, double future equal count multiple right. System output line variable future. Another command, cast to integer. Integer approx equal approx. System output line approx. Calculate average. Look this example. In maths 95.5, English 89, science 95.5, drama 17, music 19. This time is equal math plus English plus science plus drama plus music. Average equals sum per 5. System output line variable average. This code pans outputs 88 in average.